Alright, there's something wrong with this heater. It is nice and warm, no doubt about it, but you come here, this is very flimsy. Comes off. It's on off as you can speak. As you can see, it's off, but that doesn't seem to work. You have to press it to go to 1, which is already on 1, then freely goes to 2, and then 3. And then once 3 comes, and you get this gas leakage and the flames come up. But I'm not happy with the fact that it won't shut down. And I'm in a fix on what to do. I've had a look at the back. There's a flimsy little attachment there, but I don't know what to do, to be honest. So they'll be hearing from me soon tomorrow.
See, look, as you can see, the back screws have buckled under the strain of the bottle, both of them.